Now, this is a super wacky type of IMF, and it's between nonpolar and nonpolar molecules. And at first you might be like, but nonpolar molecules don't have an overall charge that's very even. What ends up happening is that when they get really close together, they start to induce a charge on each other. So they make it so that they have a negative and positive side of the molecule. And even though they're sharing the electrons equally, it just makes it more stable this way to induce these dipoles amongst themselves. So the picture on the top right does a great job of showing that, where the electrons are just flowing around at first on the left, and then it goes to the right when they're close together. And now you can see that there's a negative side and a positive side aligned with the negative side and a positive side of another atom, or another molecule, basically. The only thing about these is they have to be really close together, like the molecules themselves have to be in really close proximity to each other for it to happen. And obviously, the more surface area you have, the bigger your molecule is, there's more space for this kind of interaction to happen. So in those cases, the London dispersion force can get really, really big. It really depends on the size of the molecule and how close they'll get together, and how much, like if that makes sense.